Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for April 9th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, Novartis agreed to acquire gene therapy company AveXis for $8.7 billion, gaining the product candidate AveXis 101 for the treatment of spinal muscular atrophy. A U.S. filing for the drug, which could be the first ever one-time therapy for SMA, is expected in the second half of 2018, with approval and launch next year. Also in the news, a Phase 3 study investigating Merck Co.'s Keytruda as monotherapy for the first-line treatment of locally advanced or metastatic non-small cell lung cancer met its main goal of overall survival. The company noted that the data will be submitted to global regulatory authorities, while the Keynote-042 trial will continue to evaluate progression-free survival, which is a secondary goal. In other news, a late-stage study of AbbVie's upadacitinib in adults with moderate to severe rheumatoid arthritis met its primary endpoints of ACR20 and clinical remission versus placebo. The company added that all ranked secondary goals of the SELECT-COMPARE trial were also achieved for the oral JAK1 selective inhibitor versus either placebo or Humira. In addition, AstraZeneca licensed rights to Ionis Pharmaceuticals' experimental antisense therapy, Ionis AZ6 2.5 LRX, under a deal potentially worth over $300 million. The agent, also known as AZD2693, is designed to inhibit an undisclosed target to treat patients with non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. And finally, Menlo Therapeutics shares more than halved after the failure of a Phase 2 study of serlopitant for the treatment of pruritus in adults and adolescents with a history of atopic dermatitis. In the trial, the NK1 receptor antagonist demonstrated no significant difference versus placebo on any primary or key secondary efficacy endpoints. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.